remember to type in the calculator things like the cube root of 27. The answer is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So depending on what calculator you have, we need to do it in a certain order. If you have a calculator like this, again, what we're looking for is the cubed root, which isn't quite on here, but on here we have right above the key, the arrow key, this one here, there's this little x with a square root with it, meaning whatever power we need. Since we need the cubed root, we'll push the 3 first, and then because the thing we're looking for here is in blue, you push the second key, and then the cubed root pops up. So on the calculator, you need the cubed root, that's the third root, of 27. You hit equals, and you're done. Gives you a 3. On the Android phones, again, the calculator, not useful this way. Got to turn it sideways. But even then, it's not there. We have to use this second key, or some Androids just have the arrows. Turn that and you can see that it's right here. Try to get the glare off for you. Right here is the cubed root. Brings up this weird phrase, but it stands short for cubed, CB, root, and then you just type the number in. 27, always a good habit to type in the parenthesis, and there's your cubed root. So whatever you need the cubed root of. The cubed root is 64. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Again, the cubed root on the Android. Turn the phone sideways, and then make sure that you push the arrows, or in my case it does say second to get to a second option of keys. If you have an Apple, same thing. You need to turn the phone sideways. Bring in the phone. Make sure you turn it sideways. But with the Apples, we found earlier, at least currently, we have to hit the number first. So you're going to put in 27, and then you're going to hit this cubed root right here. Sorry, that's the wrong button. This one, and it gives you the answer. So when we're typing things in, especially on an Apple phone, you can't type it all in at once when we evaluate expressions with cubed roots. You have to do that cubed root first. 64, cubed root, the 3 with the square root sign. That gives you the answer. And then you can continue on. If you have a different type of calculator that's not one of these 3, you can borrow one from me, or I can explain it to you next time I'm in how to get the right key sequence in order to get the cubed root answer.